What is up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. So we are back here at a spot that me and Jason found good gold. Well, since the river is just, I don't think it's a river anymore. We'll call it a creek. I have never seen this water flow this slow, ever. And I've been coming to this river for years. But anyhow, we're making do what we can. Got my sluice set up there. Jason's over there trying to get his set up too. And we're back at some of our stomping grounds. I'm sure in the past videos you've seen us come through, and these are all of our basically fill-ins on our holes here, but we found really good gold here. Well, since the river's down, we have new real estate to go under and play with. So we're gonna work this area here. Now, I did that test hole right there, just barely got down maybe, I don't know, 6 inches. And I'll let the pan do the talking. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, well over a dozen color. So, we're gonna work on this right here and see how well we do. So stay tuned. We're gonna find some gold today. Alright, so I ran just a half a bucket through here. I'll pull this up so you can get a look at the gold. Half a bucket of material. Looking real good. It's not bad. It's running a little slow, but won't be moving that much material today. But if I got gold like that after half a bucket, doing pretty good. What you got?
Doing all right, guys. Got a couple pieces loaded down up underneath all them garnets. Their gold piece popped up right there.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, so there's definitely some gold in here, and the mat, as always, you guys looking like a Christmas tree.
Yep.
Red, black, and gold.
Christmas in July. Yeah, in about 2 weeks we're able to actually stick our shovels actually in the water here. I think I ran enough buckets to justify a clean out. Show you some of the gold. And a few pieces of gold sitting in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a clean out and get back at it. Sitting up next to Jason because better water flows over here. I don't think my top mat needs any introduction. It is lit up. It looks good. Let me give you a sneak peek. Oh yeah, looks real good. Let's take a look at Jason's box.
It's looking nice too.
Is it looking nice?
Yep. Oh, look at that piece just popped up. There's a couple other pieces in there too.
Oh, that's good.
Nice little pieces popped up there.
Right there. Just popped up.
Couple more pieces just popped up.
Nice.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yeah, we're not having a bad day at all. Looking pretty good. This spot has always just gave us good gold, so. Too bad we couldn't bring out an excavator and a wash plant. I think we would do pretty good. There's Jason's hole. There's mine right next to it. I'm only going down about a foot because this is flood gold. You really don't need to worry about going too deep. So we're just making it easy peasy. Just grabbing down to a foot and running it through. So whatever you do, fill your holes in, people. It's the right way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my second clean out here. Just show you what I got. A few nice pieces in there. Take a look at Jason's sluice. Oh yeah, nice piece there. Got a few of them going on. Nice. I think we've done pretty good today.
Even got a small little piece right there spinning around.
Spinning around. We don't want it spinning. We want it dropping.
It just fell right up in that little green word.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Alright.
Yeah, going all right.
Let's get this out and get it cleaned. And alright, we're getting all packed up and we are out of here. So me and Jason found some gold and we did pretty good, I think. And hike on out of here and get home and run through those cons and see what kind of gold we got. Okay, so now it's time to pick a winner for the XP pan kit that I'm giving away. As you can tell, I got over 111 comments on this video. It was brought out on July 11th. It is currently July 20th here. And we are going to pick the winner. Let's go to my videos page. Let's scroll down here to pick a winner. And the comments must contain the words, as my instructions in that last video, you had to put down XP pan. Alright, so let's pick that winner. And the winner is Annie McRae. Thanks for showing the XP pan. Well, Annie, you're the winner. How do you contact me? Go to my website at washingtonbeachmining.com. In the contact form on the first page, or there's other pages that have a contact form. Contact me through the website for the instructions for you to get that XP pan kit. So congratulations to Annie. You should be able to use that hopefully where you're at. If not, you can give it to somebody else that could use it. But anyhow, I appreciate you following me. I appreciate you leaving the comment down. So anybody else that likes the stuff that I do, I have over 47 videos out there, everything from river mining, beach mining, rock crushing, and many more. Check my other videos out there and you can see how I do it, and maybe I can influence you or possibly show you some tips and tricks. So until then, please give a thumbs up for this video. Also, if you ain't a subscriber, I would appreciate you becoming a subscriber. And of all things, take care of yourself. Find a shovel in a pan. There's gold out there near you.